Hello, hello. Yeah, you guys can hear me maybe. Let me come online on this product first. This call. It's- Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's start. Let's start the stream. So let me put on my this thing. We have zero viewers. Why is that? Why is that? Right. Thanks, guys. MQ, MNQ. Let's. Okay. Coming to the for our time frame, we have this two stage here. Beautiful two stage. Beautiful two stage. And can wait for this change instead of delivery, and we can try the answer to this. This is 9:30. We still do have a lot of time till 10 a.m., but we do have this beautiful draw liquidity up here. And this is looking so clean. Not gonna lie. In NQ mainly. Q here, and yes here. So yeah, NQ is looking so clean to me today. Looking for NQ itself. The clean highs here. ES is reached all-time highs, cable retracement, and we do have this 4-hour two-stage forming in. Look at this. We do have these failure things down here in ES, but I don't think we are going to take those. But I'm more interested in going longs today in Q and ES. Into the let's look at the YM. What do we have? Okay, something interesting here. Right. So YM clear this high. Which high is that? Yeah, we cleared that high in YM now. And if we get this C2, might think of going to the Asian lows, maybe YM. But I'm not interested in shorting any of the indices, so I'm not interested in YM as well. NQ, NQ, NQ. Sticking to the NQ longs here, if we get that 15-minute change instead of delivery, this one, let's see. So we have this small intro candle simply down here. So that was a good long, whoever caught that, but I'm pretty sure market open is like a bit confusing to the people, and they don't prefer trading at the market open. They definitely, that's for sure. We can try longs. We have London highs here, and we also do have Asian highs as well. Thank you. That's a beautiful strength switch there in 4 hours. So that's the reason NQ is running right now to the silver and gold. What do we have? Okay, came back to the uh, this new day opening gap maybe. I don't know what is this like what is this gap? I don't have any idea about that. But we are kind of instead of chopping gold. So I totally don't like what's gold doing right now. But we do have this two stage in gold. We can push lower this low, but I'm not going to rush in gold. Don't have any plans in gold, to be honest. Crude oil, the daily USLO, USLO, and then again, yeah, you have this one stage, but we inverse this parallel gap with this SMT. So we might it might be something like we are rebalancing this inversion and we are ready to push higher into oil. Look at this candle. Yeah, that's what I think. In crude oil, in daily time frame, coming to the 4 hour, what do we have here? I don't see much, but the only thing is we are bouncing. We have this speed area here in HO. This can hold and push higher, but I have to wait and see another 20 minutes if I'm planning to trade in oil. This is a profit. PUB, PUB indices today. 5 minutes to go. Let's wait. These are these are the plans for today, guys, for any assets which I'm planning to trade. This is the plan for today. Look at this down here. We'll probably definitely wait for 10 a.m. if I'm planning to trade in oil. It's silver and gold. Reaching as we expected there, but don't have anything to take trade. It's just falling knife there. Staying away from falling knives. And the sea is again something higher next 15 minutes. I don't know even if we are going to get entry to this draw anywhere in between there. We need to wait. We are not going to rush. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. It will help us a lot. Good morning. We already have 22 stage PSP on that show. Wait, but I also be meaning like in a show. Yeah, we do have this. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. I already said like we have to wait a little bit when it comes to oil with RP. Are you talking about shorting something? Like going short or anything? I don't know. Sound on Discord. Oh, sorry. Sorry. No sound on Discord. You guys should be hearing me now. What speaking? Uh, is connected to hello. Yeah. Now you guys should hear. It is connected to my camera mic actually. So. Oh shit, bro. Look at this. Look at this indices. Look at the way indices are pumping right now. Where could have, but like, there is way more less possible. Like, bro, there's literally no possible we can place anywhere ourselves in of this. Like, that's totally, that's hard as, like, we can't place ourselves here. And our draw, bro, what is this? What is this happening, bro? Look at that. Look at that. I thought we'll have something for the name, but I don't know. We can. I think we are clearing out that high now itself before 10 a.m. open. What the? We are gonna wait 1 hour PSP with HO and RB and S&P with CS just ago. Oh, let me check that. 1 hour. Yes. What are you talking about this? Wait. Tell me the candle. Okay, we have 1 hour PSP here. Is that what you're talking about? Hello, Robson. Welcome to the live stream. You tell me the time of a candle. That would be more better. I can smooth it here. Monday's low. The Monday's low. Monday's low with RP. One RPSP with HO. RB less than day with CS. USD low. Hey, your about this. Okay. RB, RB. Not. Yeah, I think you're talking about this. Yeah, got you, brother. So, but we are not going to get anything in disease today. Yeah, yeah, got it. Sorry. We have a clean highs, like clean drawn liquidity up there. London highs. Look at this. Look at this failure since one, two, three. Four. That's so clean. We can wait a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. Better what we can do right now here is like uh if we get this gap, can aim open, gap, and then we can trade extension towards this line. Crude oil. That's a plan. Let's see if we can get this gap or not. Let's hope we'll get this level gap. Yeah, that gap again. But the problem here is like RB or let me put on the actual. If we can, if it is showing some kind of reversal signature there, we have this 10-minute change set of delivery. That's so cool. That's so nice there to have. Yeah, everything is looking cool. Oil, we can get a good pump in it. So we are sticking to CL today and maybe gold. Not sure, but we clear the draw. That's a problem in gold. Personally, for me, I was expecting it to, I was expecting this to chop a little bit and then we'll be remaining with some room here to trade in gold. But look at these previous candles, like big and small body candles. These totally indicate me that this is going to be a chop there. So I'm not going to touch it once it clears the very recent uh, drawn liquidity. For me, this was that very recent drawn liquidity, and we cleared it. And look at this wick here. That's not at all healthy for me. So I'm not going to engage in gold today. Maybe. And indices were so beautiful, but we are almost clearing that drawn liquidity. I think we are not going to get entry. Like, bro, it's not at all possible. Place ourselves in such a premium, you know. That's a little bit more risky to place ourselves in premium. So yeah, just waiting. Just we'll wait. But we had a very beautiful two stage here. Let me just off this. We don't need it right now. We had a beautiful two stage, which I talked about before I started the stream, and a very beautiful draw. At least these highs up there. So yeah, I was anticipating it to trade till these high after 10 a.m. open, but not even 10 a.m. open, even before that. But it didn't give me a you know any chance to enter in that. So, yeah, that's the reason I didn't take that trade. But that was a good plan there. We had a clear draw. Yeah, kind of fractal and GXT like combined. There's not much difference, I would say. Like I never felt a lot of difference between two models. Those two models. So we are getting a pullback there. So I want something like reading gap in 10 a.m. open and tapping instead of that gap, and then we might think of pushing higher. Looking at the ES, I'm expecting some kind of two stage to come. And yeah, we still do have this remaining drop there. So yeah, we don't take Asia high. Not yet, bro, not yet. We took London high and we are getting some kind of retracement, but not yet Asia high. Look at this, 845, not yet Asia high, not yet. Not yet in Q. ES is, ES had taken it already. What about RTY? RTY is totally left with them. Have anything? RTY and YM today. Okay. Okay, it seems like we do have something here. It's PSP and this SMC here. Aura, double hand. So if we get this PSP, we can try RTY to these lows maybe and think of trying these lows, but I wanted to close somewhere around here. That would be so nice for me to trade it a little bit more lower. That's what I think. That's what I think. Do you have a Discord? Yes, bro. I do have a Discord. Let me just share. Let's me just share. Make sure to, make sure to also follow me on Instagram as well. Discord is coming back, guys. We are starting to be active in Discord nowadays. A lot of people sharing their thoughts, sharing their trades. We are having a lot of stuff going on in Discord there. Yeah, you guys can join by pin the message up there. Yes, let's stick to our plan. Look at this. We might get this time. But even if we get one stage here during continuations, I'm ready to take that. That will work for me. Oil, oil, oil. We are not going to get anything in oil, I think. We think this is the best. This is. Do you think? Yeah, bro. You can have it in a model or like that's very good. Nice to have. Okay, we are getting something here. Even though we didn't have this cap, we might have this PSP. We can just put it there. I'm personally building a website for my personal lessons and everything, notes and everything. As Robson was asking me recently that he wants something like some resources to learn. So so I think I'll going to make my personal website and dump everything whatever I have there so that you guys can get access of it. You guys can learn from there. And when it comes to videos, I'll start making some videos in YouTube as well. Everything will be raw, non-edited. Hmm? Around break even, I don't. You take candle. Yeah, yeah. It is taking a little bit drops. Sorry, I would have sent you way before, but it's taking a bit of time for me, like to manage everything with my job, my personal software development job, and building my own website. Like it's like hectic for me. So yeah, it will take a little bit time, but I'll definitely do that. Now I'm shifting to my home, so I think we might not have tomorrow's stream. Like we can have tomorrow's stream, but not FaceTime. I'll be doing it my personal laptop, like the other through my systems. So I'll look at this size. Yeah, this for our turning out bearish. Look at this. Was not expecting this. Had a lot of down push there, but I'm not gonna trade until we get more information. Like at least we have to have this inversion or push above and closure above this candle. That's difficult if we don't get that. Yeah, here we have something to do in oil, oil. We did get close here though, but I'm more focusing on going long in oil. Let's see if we get anything. Indices kind of acting weird. I need a closure about this high because look at this. We didn't even. It would be more beautiful if any of the assets have taken this previous candle low and then push higher. That would be a perfect swing point formation there. But we don't have any swing like we don't see any forming swing at this low. And without swing, it's tricky to trade reversals for me personally. So, yeah, but still sticking to the idea that we have this high remaining there and we can push higher because you have two stages down there. So yeah, but the previous candle here, this was scary. Like this is not something what I expected. That's a weird shift there. But yeah, let's see. It's very difficult for us to get entry in any in in that like you have this 1 minute change instead of delivery, but we are living off of this fair value gap, so I'm not much confident on that. I'm not taking that trade. I'm not taking that trade. I might just, monitor it how it's gonna work. Like I'm telling you guys again, not taking this trade. So yeah, be careful. I'm just placing my positional sizing and watching how it plays out. If it plays out, that's totally good. But if it's not, and again, like we had our plan that we are leaving this gap, and that's not at all a good idea to do that. So yeah, not taking this trade. I'm just placing my positional sizing there. Just watching how it plays out from there. As you guys can see, it's struggling a little bit to give us a push there. What is oil doing? That is C2, C3, and we are inside of C3. Inside M open. Problem now here is like, where did we set the low of 10 a.m.? That's the that is the thing. Are we setting that low in some key level or some random place? Let's stick to our plan. Look at this. We are the perfect spot to support the expansion if this is our low of 10 a.m. candle. At least like we can capture the 1 hour extension here. Get that change set of level. Let's try this. Let's see. Even though indices were so beautiful today, but it turned out something like this. I was not expecting this to happen, but yeah, not taking that trade for the information. We are just watching it by place. And ES looking good, like ES wants to put higher. I don't know why oil, sometimes never moves at all. Will just, becomes very, very slow in its contract. This, yeah, I have to log in, right? Yeah. I'll log in to get that thing instead of the. We almost got that. This contract go to 128. That's cool. What if we market it? We can. We are trying out this guys. Trying this all longer. My eval. Let's hold it. Hold it. I don't know, like oil can be slow, but hoping that it will go. So this would be my break even. Like not if not break even, at least I'm going to play to this thing. Okay. So next here, reducing my reducing my front profit is there. Now let's see. Let's go for that one. I'm expecting that even if we get a pullback, this 10 rate of delivery should hold the price and then push it higher. So let's see if we can get that. What? Six, 480 here. Get 500 somewhere around here. That's going to get complete 500. So where do we have draw? We do have draw here. So I'll be definitely careful when we reach at this high. And I'll be break even if we clear these highs. At least these highs. Let's see. We are holding this. Let's hold. And also let's keep an eye on as expected. What do you think about ES long? Bro, indices, I need more structure to, go long in indices because I don't see anything clear there. See, yes, yes, you can long, but after this closure, I would definitely wait for closure for this closure here, and then we can try longs because this will give us more confirmation, I would say, and yeah, that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. Just for you guys to, be safe. Hello, 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 welcome, sir. Welcome to the stream. Long time no see. How's your trading going? Need a flip of this 3 minute candle. Everything in front of you, bro. We doing great. Live streams are going well, and yeah, everything is going cool. Once I shift everything, I'll be doing PM streams as well in Discord. PM streams only in Discord, not in YouTube. So make sure to join Discord. We are gonna figure out how to trade 2 p.m. candle there. How to trade 2 p.m. for our candle as we do 10 a.m. here. So we will figure it out to trade 2 p.m. there. Somehow we have to clear this high because we are having this S&P. I think Yeah, let's hold. Somehow we have to clear this high, bro. Come on. Okay, let's so move there. Now we are another break even. Let's see if we are going to get expanded or not. Let's see if we are going to get expansion because this was a very recent high. So just to be safe, I'm going to be break even there. Yeah. I can't right here anything other than me chopping in the mic because I have a lot of stuff going on background. So, oh, oh, look at that. It's like a little bit more tight there myself, but that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. What it is, guys. I'm not going to, you know, not going to just mess around with my SL today at least. Let's be it there, whatever happens. Let's stick to our plan. Five-minute doing. Okay, so we do have 5 minutes left. Yeah. These things make me to do that, bro. Come on. I'm not gonna do anything. Let it be. Let it be. I'm not going to compromise with my loss. What a wiki thing is going on here? Shit. We might get stopped out at break even the way the candles are forming would leave big shit. Look at those way. Oh, come on. What's going on? Look at that 1 minute chop there. Oh, that's shit, bro. But the plan was so good. And we did have that displacement after our entry, but I don't know. We're gonna wait. Never judge early, never celebrate early, whatever. We're gonna just wait and see. Again, like it's a risk-free trade right now. Yeah, I know that the stop loss is so tight, It's barely have a you know room there play around, but the way wicks are forming right now, I'm not a big fan of that. So I'm being safe here, guys. If the same shit, if the same shit continues, then I'm going to just stop trading for today. Maybe look at this. Yes, do we have confirmation that 15-minute confirmation? What we the yeah, bro. We have confirmation now. Now we can log in ES or NQ, whatever you guys want to. But I would have tried something here, but I'm currently in a trade, so I think no do that. Check. But this trade, I don't like this. Like looking at these candles here, bro. Come on, what the hell is this going on? Uh-oh. We might get stopped out. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna hold it. If we get stopped out at break even, then totally fine. Let me see. Let me see. Let me show you guys. Like we are 68 going on right now. I want it at zero, bro. I want to show you guys how the commissions will get here, but it's fine. I'll do it some other times. It's going to get done. If it didn't stop me at this point, it's it's something like I'm going to be lucky because look at these candles wick down here. I don't like those wicks like those. Those are some kind of low resistance liquidity down there. It will come and take me out and then push higher maybe. So, oh, is that? Well, if that's happening, then that's like totally fine with me because I don't trade HO or RB. I'm gonna stick with my CL. Even though it's gonna chop around, that's totally fine. Or else I can do something like this, like let this running because it's risky right now. Let it be running there because it's risky right now. I can try something on other assets. Here, let it be there. And okay, thank you. We have we didn't get that close. That's the problem here. We have waited 11 minutes, but we had a close in ES though. Okay, let it be. I mean, just hold this. We might get stopped out now. Might we might mon oil without that break even. Ah, okay, got stopped out at break even. That was a good try there. Not gonna lie. Okay, that's fine. Came back, trapped to the 5 minutes. Let's focus on other assets now. Oil is on, cannot expanding at all. And still, okay. Now we are not going to get entry. Like, bro, this happens. Okay, okay, we can try C3 after this. Like C4, C2, that is C2, one stage, one stage. Yeah, bro, yes, it's flying. We have this information. Like, we do have this area. Let's wait. Look at this oil, bro. Come on now. Chop me out. Just play like, bro. Look at that. Let's let us try this gap. If we get, I don't know. Yeah, it will just keep on pumping now. It will never give us entry. I can bet you guys on that. We can try this long to all. If it comes back and give it a look at that. Come on, bro. Get that oil. Stop me at break even exactly and then pumping higher. Shit, shit. Ah, bro, look at that pump. Yo, shit, bro. Shit, bro. Shit. That was, that was not at all good. That's not at all good. That's not at all good. Come on. Come on, oil. We had a perfect plan though. We had a very perfect plan in oil. How did we get stopped out? Like, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Look at it here. We launched here. We stopped. Exact tick of that candle. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Exact tick of the candle. You guys can see mark there when I hour. Look at that. Look at that. Exact tip of the candle, bro. Bro, this hurts. Like, come on. Yeah, yeah. Can't do anything about that. Gold again chopping around. It's a bit, bro, hit that draw. It's bro. We hit that draw finally. That's the beautiful trade. That would have been a beautiful trade. Not gonna lie. That would have been a beautiful trade, bro. That would be. Oh, shit. I would have made what I wanted today, but it's fine. Let's see. I don't know why indices are coming back and shopping. We're done with oil, guys. There's nothing left in oil. We would have started, but we have these London highs, so can wait. I come back to the today. The problem is we had two expansion candles, and in 15 minutes we had two expansion candles here as well after this one track and correlation, and we might get a pullback here in order as we are getting that. We might we might get a pullback to the two-day open and then push higher. I think that's nice. Let's see if it happens. But when it comes to indices, look at this previous 1 hour candle. I don't like. I'm not actually interested. Of that, another 30 seconds to go. I didn't long this because of game it open. This is looking good though. But today open, we didn't get that. This thing like gap, any gap here? What I was expecting there. We do have this gap though. Have this gap. That is. come back, and let it tap here, and then push higher. Try this long. Yes, we get that. All right. Let's see if we get that. What about the long range? Yeah, Q. We do have a drop there though. Let's see. Move on. Okay. See. Yeah. Okay. We have it. Q there. Come on. Yeah, let me say. Okay. We are in MQ. Had this good trend instead of delivery. Let's see. And get a push higher there. Well, this was the entry, but we had a very clear change set of delivery in MQ more than anything else. I'm gonna try this. I have Fibonacci gap here. So once we inverse this Fibonacci gap, then I'm going to be break even there. Just draw remaining another 17 seconds to go break even. Big draw as well. Here we go. Break even, risk free, risk free. Yeah, let's hold it now, guys. We had a let me. Uh, I think that was totally textbook there. I don't need to explain you guys. Like even if you want to look at this, guys, we had a 5 minute fair gap delivering of a 5 minute fair gap. We have this 5 minute gap here, and we have this 1 minute change instead of delivery instead of that with ES, and we have change instead of delivery like order block you can call it maybe, and proportion block, and we got entry there. So we are holding it. That's a risk-free again. We boosted this cap, rebalanced, and now I'm expecting it to pump higher. So let's see if we can get that pump higher. And we have drawn liquidity up there, where is our the limit. So let's hold. It should go to the all-time highs. That's what I'm expecting to happen. But let's see. Let's see. Come on, bro. Push to all-time highs now. Trade copy or vaping trades. I didn't get you, bro. I didn't like are you copying my trade? Like are you taking this trade? राहुल भैया ले रहे हो क्या ये वाला ट्रेड ले हो क्या? Oh, nice. नाइस 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 ऑल टाइम हाइस पे निकाल लो. मैं भी उधर से ही निकाल रहा हूँ because I don't trust today's transaction. I don't know. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. You can do that. Right trail, very tight. Come on, bro. Don't do this. What? ES is pumping like crazy, bro. ES is pumping like crazy. I don't know why NQ does this, but ES is like flying. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Let me just cover up something like at least my mission there and hold it. So yeah, holding it whatever it happens. Yeah, I don't know. Like it's edging me at like so it's just 5 to 10 points away from my TP. I think yeah, 10 points away from my TP, and it's fucking edging me, and 10 points away from all-time highs. Oh, crazy, crazy. That's what actually just to keep simple. You can keep on doing that daily, bro. You can keep on doing that daily if it brings you. Oh, you don't have you didn't trade this in your account? Okay, we have a good 3 minute closure there, but I don't know. I'll keep an hold it whenever it happens now. Not gonna exit there. Let it reverse. Let it stop me at break even. Let it do whatever it wants to. This is in my account, but for my bank account. I did. Okay, 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 okay. Got it, got it. Back. We are about to get a good closure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kind of okay, but then we still can consolidate there. We're just 10 points away. Come on, bro. Push it higher. Pass it on. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Boys are just sprinting like hell, bro. I think I'm staying behind. Maybe now I feel like that I'm staying behind. Looking at everyone taking payouts day by day. Bro, what is this? What the fuck is this? Yeah, don't do this. Okay, give us that pump. Give us that pump. Oh, fuck. Yeah, boy. Let's go. No, bro, I'm not at top. This is not top. This is my bottom. I'm still climbing. Crazy trade, crazy trade. We had two trades today. Finally. Finally, we did that. If it would have edged me here, definitely I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna be honest in front of you guys. After the stream, I'll be going to a tilt and I would have blown my account. I would have blown my account for real. If it would have edged me at this point, like just away from 10 points. So crazy, crazy trade, crazy trade, crazy trade. Be safe, guys. If you guys are holding it, just make sure to trail it tight. We are at all-time highs, so I don't know, like till what extent it's going to push higher. So yeah, I'm done here. I'm done for today. I'm Mochu. Yes. Bro, why are you out? You said you just now said you are going to hold it for like hold and fill it like my account is 5 5 or 5. It's a new eval account basically. It's I have bought another two evals. So I'm trading those evals. Oh, Trail got it. Okay, okay. GC Pro, never seen better trader live. Oh, this no, bro. There are more better traders than me in life, but I really appreciate that comment. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. Make sure to hit the live stream, like, and hit the subscribe button as well. Give me a second. बताओ क्या अच्छा था अच्छा था ना आज का ट्रेड Yo, boys, we are back. We are back. I had a call, so I had to pick it up. Yeah. Did you take the same trade? Well, I'll be more happy if you did take the same trade. Beautiful trade, guys. Very beautiful trade. We just journal it. Oh shit. Journal it. Where is it? This- What is this? How much did we get? 2.3. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We had a very beautiful trade. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. I'll say it. I'll say it. I'll say it. So, take care, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the stream. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.